multi-digit subtraction. We're going to subtract 34,721 by 25,842. Now the first thing I want to talk about here is place value. If we were to put these numbers into a place value chart, this would be the ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, okay? So this isn't just a 3, this is a 30,000. This isn't just a 4, this is a 4,000. This isn't just a 7, it's a 700. This is 20 and this is 1. Same with down here. This is 20,000, this value of this 2. The value of this 5 is 5,000. The value of this 8 is 800. The value of this 4 is 40. You could think about it, because if you were to write this number down here, this 2, it'd be 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. See, 20,000, okay? So it's an important distinction to make right when you're starting to subtract these multi-digit, these very long multiple digit numbers, because it's important not to look at this 7 and think it's just a 7, it's a 700, and this 8, and it's not an 8, just an 8, it's an 800, okay? Okay, so we can't subtract 2 from 1. If we have 1 of something, we can't take 2 away. So we're gonna borrow from over here. And then this becomes 1, and actually it's really worth, this 1 has a value of 10, okay? And then the other 1 from this 2, so one of the 1 stays here, and then 1 carries over here, becomes an 11. Because you took 10 from here, 10 from this place value, not just a 1. And then 2 minus 11 is 9. So when you're borrowing, you're not just taking the value of 1, you're taking the value of whatever place value you are here. So when we borrowed from here and we took away 1, we really transferred over. We really subtracted 10, and we brought over 10. That's why that 1 became an 11. Okay, so again, 4, we can't take 4 from 1, or 40, which is what this is really worth. We can't take 40 from 10. This is now a 40, and this is now a 10. And we can't subtract that, so we'll even make it a little 40 and a little 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow from over here. This becomes a 6, or a 600 from a 700. And then over here, this now becomes an 11. So now it's 4 minus 11, which is 7, or 40 minus 110, which would be 70. So then here, we can't take 8 from 6, so we're going to borrow again. This will turn into a 3, or a 3,000 versus a 4,000, and this becomes 16. 8 minus 16 is 8, or 1,600 minus 800, which is 800. Okay? Now we can't subtract 5 from 3. So we're going to borrow from over here. This becomes a 2, or a 20,000, right? Because the value of this 2 is actually 20,000, not just 2. And then this becomes 13, because we added 10,000 to this 3. Okay, now 5 minus 13 is 8. And then this is just 20,000 minus 20,000. So that's just going to be 0. But I'm not going to incorporate it here, just for simplicity. So our answer here is 8,879.